Before you continue, make sure you click save after doing any significant portion of your drawing. Let's complete the bottom portion of this perspective cube. We do not need to divide anything because it's already divided here on top. What we are going to do is type in line, enter, and then select the bottom of this vertical line here and connect to this vanishing point here, and then go back again and connect to the second point. Press enter to stop. We're going to do the same thing here. We're going to type L, enter, and then select this piece here, this endpoint to this vanishing point, and come back onto this vanishing point. Press enter. Okay. So now we are ready to draw this object here. All right. So to draw this object, we are going to first create a layer. Okay. By clicking plus, and we were going to create a layer called pen 5. Okay, pen 5, and we're going to assign that color blue for pen 5. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fifth color is blue, and so pen 5 would be blue. So click that, okay. And then make sure that this is your current layer to draw on by pulling this down. Once the layer is created, we're going to pull it down, and then we're going to click pen 5. Now we're ready to draw. Okay, so let's move this closer. So move M, enter for move, and then select this picture, press enter, and we're gonna move this a little bit closer here so we can see it when we're zoomed in. So this yellow, small yellow piece is found on the right side and the bottom of this face. So this yellow piece is this piece over here. Okay, so we're going to make a box out of that one. We're going to type in line again, enter, and we're simply going to click intersection, 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 and then go back. Okay, so this yellow piece here, this yellow piece here is this blue box over here. All right, now this edge over here, okay, is this edge going straight over here. All right. This bottom here is this edge over here. So we're going to draw another line, press enter, and then start from here all the way here to the bottom, and then simply complete that bottom face by clicking to here and then to here. All right, there you go. Now this top portion over here starts from this point over here and must go to the vanishing point. Okay, so there is no line going to the vanishing point. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in line, enter, click this intersection, but slowly go down to this vanishing point. Okay, so there you have it. So that's the line of this edge over here. But this edge over here would have to go up. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to find that intersection. Okay, where it needs to go up, somewhere over here. Okay, well, we need to be precise. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw first this edge here from this corner, which is this corner here. And then we're going to go up. And we're just going to go up like that. Okay, so this thickness of this edge is from this face, which is aligned to this edge, which is this portion over here. So to do this gray portion over here, we're going to do again and enclose this face. So we're going to do a line, enter, and then we're going to click here, click here, click here, click here. Make sure your intersections are on, and then press enter to stop. And then we're going to connect this edge, and this edge will go to the vanishing point here. So we're going to do another line, and then we're going to click this point, and then go to the vanishing point over here, and then go back and connect to this edge over here. Okay, right? And then so same thing over here, this line will start from here and then go and connect to the vanishing point over here. All right, And so this edge now should connect to this corner here that's not shown, which is this line here. Okay, so this edge and that line are connected here. So we're going to do a fillet, and then we're going to connect this line and this line to connect that. Okay, and so now we're going to simply draw a line projecting here, but this line must be coming from the vanishing point here. So we're going to simply draw and start our line from this vanishing point here all the way to here. All right. And then we want this line to continue to this line here. So what we can do is we can also do a fillet. Okay. And the fillet command makes us round corners over here, or it can also make us straight corners by clicking this and that one and make a straight corner. Right, there you go. We don't need this portion here, so we can trim that, or we can use fillet, press F and enter to click this and that one and remove all the excess lines over here. So now we are ready to draw the small edge over here, which is this small edge over here, and it's a vertical line. So we're going to type in line, select this corner here, and then simply go down. Okay, you go down extra, press escape to stop, and then we want to connect these two edges together, so it makes an L face here. And then we're going to do a fillet again so that we can connect this corner and this corner, okay, and make a straight corner. All right, so we're almost done now. All we're going to do is draw this straight edge here. And where does this straight edge go? It's going to be somewhere here. And how do you find that uh, that line here? Um, you might now find that the all the lines are becoming confusing. So what you can do is you can go to your layer 0, under layer, go to layer 0, click the box here, and then select a dark gray here, or click more color, and then select a darker gray down here. So we're going to probably select a darker color. You can also use some of these over here. So we can click this and click apply. Okay, and then you can now see that you can probably better see your drawings. Okay, so where does this line actually go now? Well, that line, okay, will be aligned with this edge over here, which is just this line here. Okay, so this line here we have to go up. So we put that one, we draw a line, and then we start at the intersection and simply go up. Okay, and then we want to connect these corners here, so we're going to do an F, and we're going to click this and this and make that corner. We don't need this again, so in this case we can do a fillet. If you do a fillet, if you click this and that one, it will connect this corner, but it will erase this corner. You can bring it back again by typing in fillet and pressing this line and that line. So instead of trimming, we can use the fillet command. Okay, so now we have our objects created correctly. This yellow face is this yellow face here. This small yellow face is this small yellow face. This L-shaped gray is this face over here, and this square gray is this face over here. So this would what the object will look like um, when you have correctly have drawn your perspective cube and looking at the um, worm's eye view perspective. Okay, so go ahead and save your work, and you're actually finished with this perspective uh, one. Okay.